Alright, we're going to do a Palomar knot. Starting out, you're going to take the end of your line and you're going to make a loop. Make sure you leave yourself plenty of room on this so you have enough line. You're going to take that loop through the eye of the hook. And then you're going to take that and you're going to tie an overhand knot. Now you're going to take that loop again and you're going to take it over the hook, and then you're going to pull it tight. It's a nice snug knot. I find it best with braid. You're going to have some limitations if you do it on really large hooks. You're going to have to make a rather large loop, so keep that in mind. I like it for smaller stuff, bluegill, trout, braided lines primarily. You can definitely tie it with fluoro and mono, but I go to the clinch knot more often than not with those. So that's it though, pretty simple knot, really firm too.